Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lazy Coders. Today we are going to discuss that how to become a full stack web developer and what are the technologies and languages which are required to become a full stack developer. I will show you a complete roadmap that how to become a full stack developer in this video. Now why to become a full stack developer? Because in the market full stack developers are in demand. Now let's discuss who are a full stack web developers and what are their roles and responsibilities in the market. A full stack developers are those who create front end means user interface of the website and back end means connecting with database and other server side work developing APIs and integration of the APIs are the main responsibilities of the full stack web developer. To become a full stack web developer, there are required technologies and languages which we need to learn to become a full stack web developer. We will discuss one by one. Number one is HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript. Now what is HTML? HTML is used to design a web structure or a web page layout. CSS is used to style and design that layout. Bootstrap is also used in styling and designing the web page layout, and it also makes the web pages responsive. JavaScript is used to add functionality or implement functionalities in our web pages. After learning HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript, we can jump to any front-end framework like React.js, Vue.js, or AngularJS. Now to connect the developed website with database, we need to learn some backend languages like Python, in which we have backend framework the Django, Flask. In PHP we have Laravel coordinator. In JavaScript we have Node.js, Express.js. We need to learn either Python, PHP or JavaScript. Now let's talk about some popular databases in industries which are widely used in the market. The popular databases are MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. These are popular databases which are widely used in the industries. We can learn either MySQL, MongoDB, or PostgreSQL. Now, we are to learn all these technologies and languages. Don't worry, friends, we are launching a complete full stack development course on Lazy Coders channel. This course will be a beginner friendly and will be entire for beginners. We will cover everything step by step in this course. That's enough for this video, friends. Please stay connected with us. Hit like and subscribe my channel to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you.